In this video we want to play with calc. We have here formula length of cell B, so how many characters we have in cell B we will see on the left. Let's insert some text. Here is some text, so we have 19 characters. Let's insert more. Let's copy sometimes, so 228. Let's wrap this text and let's multiply again. Let's copy and paste it many times. We have 4000. It's working very well. We can expand the formula bar from here, so we can paste it down there. Okay, paste one more time, let's enter. So 5000. Let's copy 5700 characters and let's paste them again in the end of here. We have 11,000 characters. Let's paste it here again and again, and let's see what we get until now. 57,000 characters. So we can write a lot in a single cell in LibreOffice Calc. This is what I wanted to see, how many characters we can write. It's enough. With more text than this, the program became very slow and it's very hard to work with it. I wanted to start a monitor to see how it's LibreOffice working. We have here 50% of CPU, so at 5000 it's okay, it's working well. Now let's remove the text, these 57,000 characters. Let's remove it. We delete, so they are gone. We have 0 characters here. Now let's see another thing. In spite of having some text, we can have paragraph in the same cell. For example, this is first paragraph, and in spite of pressing enter to move to the next line, we can press ctrl+enter. So let's press ctrl and enter, and we are in the same cell but on a new line. Okay, so the second paragraph in the same cell. Let's press ctrl+enter. The third paragraph, and let's press enter. So now we finished our first cell. If I press enter, now I'm in the next cell. And here again I press 1, ctrl+enter 2, ctrl+enter 3, and all these numbers are in the same cell, 1, 2, 3. If I want 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, they are numbers and they are on the right. 1, 2, 3 here are text and they are on the left. Okay, so it's very easy to create a new paragraph in the same cell, very easy. Also, let's learn a shortcut. If I want to format this, any paragraph, I can format with ctrl+1. So let's press. So I'm here and press ctrl+1, and I have this format cells window where I can change the text to be text, number, to align different, to center, to change the degree and so on. So remember this shortcut, very useful, ctrl+1 for using in Calc. This is version 7.1. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. Thank you.